Motherhood looks different in every season, and this is mine right now. If you're a postpartum mama, you understand what I'm talking about. So sit down tight and let's continue this video. Good morning.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Yeah, Ayana wake up?
Okay, Ayana is still sleeping.
No.
How was your night? How was your night?
Ayana, look. My face.
Good morning, you guys, and happy Sunday. Sunday look a little different for me in this season. If you are new here, I'm a mom of three, two toddler and a newborn, and I'm currently in my postpartum season. So while my toddler are getting ready for church, this Sunday I will be staying home with the baby. And I won't lie, it feel a little bittersweet. I miss being there, I miss worship, I miss dress up with the kids and working in together as a family. But right now, my body is still healing and this little one need me close. So instead of church this morning, I'm turning Sunday into a soft Sunday reset at home. While the kids are gone, I'll be catching up on Sunday, on laundry, because with three kids, the laundry never ends. Organizing their school outfit for the week, and finally taking down our Christmas tree. Yes, it's still up. This season of motherhood feels slower, quiet, but still very full. And if you're in a similar season, healing, adjusting, or just doing the best you can, I hope this video reminds you that it is okay if life looks different right now. So come along with me as we get the toddler ready for church. Spend a calm Sunday at home with baby and reset for a new week.
What? What?
Sorry?
You wanna put too much in mine?
No?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
I guys should see that.
You closed it the wrong way.
I did?
Yeah.
Sorry. You good? You want more?
There is nothing in
Check.
your Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah. On water.
Oh,
Put on your jacket. Jacket.
What happened? TV.
Just pause. Nothing happened.
Oh, pause.
See the
Mommy. We can
What?
play it. What happened, TV? It does pause. Like,
Yeah.
she said it does pause.
Move the pause.
Okay. First, okay, her back. Pause. Okay, her back. Okay.
Good.
Oh, she
Rana, did you do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay.
No, it's not with that.
Fine,
No,
girl.
it's not with that.
Turn around. Beautiful. Wanna turn around? Beautiful. All right. Now that the kids are gone, so laundry time. So I'm starting with the newborn outfit for now, then follow up by the toddler. So I'm just going to put it in the washing machine so I can do other stuff. I'm sorting out the kids' outfit for the week. That way it's very easy for me in the morning. When they wake up, they'll just grab any outfit that they want for school. So that's what I normally do every
So guys,
weekend.
I'm going to end the vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do you have anything to say?
Today is Monday. Elliot.
Today is Sunday. We just got back from church, so today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
Yeah.
Eliora is gonna bathe. Hey,
Bye.
Bye. Bye.